Here are some quick tips and tricks for the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED. With a screen-to-body ratio of close to 90%, it's almost all display. But that also makes it easy to forget which side is up and which side is down. Just like on my phone, using the camera as a point of reference worked great for me. In tablet mode, I always made sure the webcam is on the left, since I'm right-handed and I don't want my hand or arm to block the camera when touching the screen or logging in with my face. In laptop mode, you want the webcam at the top, obviously, so you attach the keyboard on the opposite side. Take the keyboard and hold it above the screen and then just lower it, and it snaps in place thanks to some very powerful magnets that hold it in place when typing on it. If it sometimes doesn't align with the edge of the device, just push against it with your fingers and it slides into the right spot. When you want to remove the keyboard, instead of fighting with those magnets in a tug of war, simply lift it up at the top and it comes right off. My favorite mode is the desktop mode, where you prop it up like a portable OLED monitor or TV. Again, camera on the left, and then you put it on its side and hold it with your left hand while reaching around and pulling out the kickstand with your right hand. The best way to carry and handle it is to use the rubber padded bezels. They're nice and grippy, and you get a lot less fingerprints as well. Please do not push on the edges of the hinge on either side though, and do not carry it holding the hinge corners. And please do not put it face down on a table or somewhere else, as it might scratch or damage the panel. For cleaning the panel, and I learned this the hard way, it's best not to use tissue paper, as the protective rubber bezels will shred the paper into paper dust and create a whole mess. A wet wipe or a damp cleaning cloth for glasses or shades work best. And one last tip, last but not least, if you have an 18 watt or 30 watt or 20 watt Type-C phone charger around, those make the perfect on-the-go companion charger for the Zenbook Fold. They are more than enough to keep your Zenbook Fold powered and charged, and they're super light and compact. Alright, those are my top tips and tricks for the Zenbook Fold. Have fun with your next level folding tablet laptop hybrid, and please let us know if you have some tips and tricks that you would like to share with us or with other Zenbook Fold owners.